My name's Jane Brown from Jane Brown Interiors and janebrowndesigns.com, and I'm here at my favourite little antique store in New York called Furnish Green, in between Broadway and 31st. So please come out and check out all the wonderful things they have for sale up here. So today we're talking about how to clean antique furniture using linseed oil and turpentine, which is a really old method to clean. And what I love about it is that it's not as toxic and as chemically abrasive as a lot of the other cleaners that you find on the market today. So it's a simple three-step process. So we have 3 parts of linseed oil. So we'll pour that into a jar. And the easy way to remember which we have more of is the linseed oil is heavy. It's like a weighty oil that you would maybe even cook with, and it's yellow and it's textured. So that's the heavier oil. So 3 parts of the heavier oil. And then the turpentine, which is almost like water and very light, we have 1 part. So it's 3 parts and 1 part turpentine. That's simple. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually add this mixture to hot water, because these are very flammable, these 2 mixtures together. And if we wanted to heat it up, there's 2 ways. One is with a flame, and then the other is with hot water. And this is a really safe way to mix these and have the formulation just right so we can use it for cleaning. So, and then that will all settle, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to use this to clean your antique furniture. Right, so we've done the mixture. So what I'm doing now is dipping a rag, and I'm putting the linseed oil and the turpentine mix onto the piece. I've just got this little piece of, an antique saw here. Now, the essential part for the cleaning process is actually having some light steel wool, and then we use that to remove the debris and the built up dirt and excess that's been on the piece. Now, it's really important to make sure that when you're using the steel wool, you rub lightly so as not to damage the piece, especially if it's a very expensive antique and it's a beautiful wood. Don't do circular motions, because if it's a really old and expensive piece of antique furniture, we want to maintain the integrity of the piece with having the grain running the right way. So we just have this little bit of steel wool, and we gently rub the steel wool along the grain until we remove all the residue. And you will see there will be a significant amount of residue that comes off with this mixture, which is great. So we just continue that way really gently along. Once that's done, and you'll be able to see whether you've got the piece as clean as you'd like it, then the final piece is that what we do is we get the soft cloth again, we dip it in the mixture, and then we do a final coating, and the wood is going to absorb as much of this as it needs to. I would recommend that you put it in a well ventilated room, just so that it doesn't overpower anybody in the household. And that's a really old-fashioned, fabulous way to clean antique furniture. So until next time, thanks for watching.